Hey guys, welcome. In this course, we will learn how to build a complete website with the help of HTML5 and CSS3. You'll learn some of the basic elements of HTML, and we'll also learn some of the semantic elements of HTML5. With the help of CSS, we'll see how we can style our website. And with the help of CSS3, we'll see how to build a responsive design for our website, and also we'll see how we can add animations to our website. At the end of this course, you'll be able to build a complete website as a project, which will have multiple pages. It will also have a navigation bar with a drop down. We will also see how to create a mega menu in our website. And we'll also see how you can add an image slider. With the help of tables, we will see how we can structure our contents. We'll learn how to include Google Maps in our website. And also we'll see how we can include videos and audios into our website. At the end of the page, in the contact us page, we'll see how we can create a contact form. So there is a lot to learn. Let's get started. What you will need to get started is a PC with internet. You can use Mac, Linux, or Windows. Anything is fine. You will need a code editor, Notepad++, Sublime Text, VS Code, brackets, and there are so many other code editors outside, so you can choose any one you like. And you'd obviously require a browser. So in my personal recommendation, I would recommend to install Chrome. Google Chrome is one of the most famous browsers being used almost worldwide everywhere. A lot of people ask me like which code editor is the best one. So here I have a simple comparison chart from Google Trends. So if you check this out, like what I have done is I have compared all Notepad++, Sublime Text, VS Atom, and brackets, some of the most popular code editors. Now you can check this out that the VS Code has more popularity when compared to other code editors. So if you ask me, VS Code is the best. To download VS Code, just go to Google and type in VS Code. And you'll get the first link. Just click on the VS Code. This will take you to the VS Code website, and based on your operating system, the installer will be selected. So I'm going to click on download for Windows, and your download will start. So what I have done is that I have already downloaded VS Code. It's in my PC. So let's go ahead and install that. I'm going to minimize this. Let's go to my PC. Let's go to downloads, and there I have it. Double click on this one. Click on I accept, next, next, and then make sure you tick on this one. So there is register code as an editor for self-hosted files. So click on this, click on next, and install. Okay, our VS Code is now installed. So let's click on finish. This will launch the VS Code. In case if this is not launched, what you can do is you can go to your start and look for VS Code, and you can select VS Code. That will launch the code editor for you. Now that we have installed VS Code, this is the welcome screen you will see. So let me close this, and you can see this is the structure of my folder where I'll be working. So let me create this project files where we'll be working on. I'm going to go to desktop. Let me create a folder here. I'm going to call this as HTML. And the best thing is you can actually use your VS Code to create folders and files. So you can go to your VS Code, and you can see on the desktop we have this HTML. So what I can do now is I can go to File, Open Folder, and from there in the desktop I can choose HTML and select folder. Now what happened is now my project location is changed from desktop to my HTML folder itself. So here I'm going to create a folder called lesson 1. Okay, and inside this I can create a file. So you can see these icons here. So this is going to be a new file option, this the new folder option, this is the refresh one, and this is the collapse folder. If you have too many files, you can collapse them. So the first file which you'll be working on is index.html. Now make sure that you have the .html selected. So if you don't have the .html selected, then you won't have that HTML file thing. You wouldn't be able to launch that in the browser. So once you have this file selected, so what you can do now is you can right click here and you can copy the path. And now let's go to our browser, and in the browser, in the address bar, just right click here and paste the path and just hit enter, and you will have your document over here. So currently we can't see anything. That's because you have not written anything. So let's go back to our code editor and let's write something. I'm going to call this as hello world. Okay, let me save that and let's get back to our browser and hit refresh. Okay, we got hello world.